Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is another LV unboxing. This is just the receipt. I literally just took it out of the box. Let's check. So this is just like always the receipt. If you're gonna return it, of course I'm not. And then it came really cute packaged, which this is my favorite part, the little ribbon. Let's take it out of the ribbon, and then this is just a card. If you've seen my other unboxings, this is just like here, I'll show you guys if this is the first time you guys see my unboxings or have never seen these little cards. They're just a white little card that you can write, you know, like if it's a gift you can write something on it. So this is just a little card. So let's put that there, and let's take the ribbon off. Okay, so I got this set because, if you guys can guess, it has the new perfume. Okay, so this is just a little, they always come like this. If you haven't seen my other unboxing, I have unboxed these little perfume sets before. They're my favorite. They're perfect when you're traveling. When you order them online, they do send you samples. So they send me this one. So they send me a sample, which I think this perfume in miniature comes in here too. And they send me this one. Oh, I've smelled this one before too. So I've smelled these before. Let's just put them there. And then this is just the set. This is the new miniature set in the collection. Here, let's open it up so you guys can see. So this is it. So it has the same box as the other one. It looks exactly the same. There's nothing special on this one, and it looks just like the other one, the box. Here, this is my other set that I've opened before that you guys have seen me unboxed, and this is the new one. This one, I think the only difference, they swapped a scent out. I'll make a note. I'm not sure which one they swapped out, but the only new one is that they added is the Spell on You, which is the new LV scent. The Spell on You, I don't know if you guys have smelled it, but I didn't want to buy the big bottle without trying it out, so I got the small one. And plus, I really love these. This one, I already had it in the other one, which is the rose. You guys can see it. And there's this one, which this is the one that they sent me the sample of as well over here. So now I have it. There you go. And then this one used to come there, used to come here. Yes and yes. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm missing. There's 7 of them. I'll put it down below which one's missing because I can't think. Oops. I can't think right now which one's missing. But this is a really cute way to carry them. They're all 10 millimeters. And they're like a really cute way to carry them in your purse. They don't have the straw, even though you think how all the LV bottles is hard to see the little straw. This one, they don't have the straw. These are just, look, this one has a little straw. These are not. They're like little, like, tap, I don't know how to say it, but you can like dab it on. They don't have the straw, but for the price, it's good. These are not refillable. If you're thinking of that, you can't refill these bottles at the store. It's only for the big bottles. So it's not focusing, but these are it. I hope you guys like this unboxing of these little perfume bottles. I think they're the cutest little thing. When they're empty, you can just put them, you know, decorate your vanity, or if you just like to collect little perfume bottles, these are perfect, or they're also a perfect gift. So if you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.